Welcome back. In our previous video, we created a basic Odoo module. We set up a new table, added security files, and created a module with a main menu, submenu, window actions, and views. We specifically focused on tree, list, or form views. In this video, we will dive deeper into the understanding of the basic concepts, focusing on models, security, menus, actions, and views. Let's get started. In Odoo, a model is akin to a table in a database. For instance, previously we created a table named real.state.property. Here's a quick recap of how to define a model. In a business application like Odoo, controlling who can access is crucial. Odoo provides a security mechanism that restricts data access to specific user groups. Let's see how we can define access rights. As we created a security file in which ID is an external identifier, name is the name of the ir.model.access. Model ID slash ID refers to a model which the access rights right applies to. The standard way to refer to a model is model underscore the model name as we created real.state.property, then real underscore state underscore property, where model name is the name of the model with the dot replaced by underscore. Seems cumbersome. Indeed it is. Group underscore ID refers to the group which the access right applies to. Perm delete, perm write, perm create, perm unlink is the permissions of the read, write, create, and unlink. The menus. We created a main menu called real state and the submenu called properties. Here's how we set up previously. Go to the localhost and colon 8069, and here's the on and on the settings, go to the technical menu items, search real estate. Here's the main menu, properties. Here's the sub menu. Open the main menu. No parent is defined. And on the properties menu, here's the parent window action, which is real estate. Now we defined actions. Actions in Odoo are used to define what happens when a main menu is clicked. The window action, for instance, open a specific view. Here we created. Now, views. Views define how data is displayed. We created both tree and form views for our model. The tree view defines just like this: the record, main ID, which is unique, which should be unique, the name of the view, the model, real.state.property as we created, and the fields we need to show, and the form view. In the form view, the difference is tag of form. Inside the form, there is a sheet, the main view of the form. And inside the sheet, there is a group. We created the fields in a group manner. This video covered the basic models, security, menus, actions, the main window actions, and views. After going to the next video, there's a small exercise for you. Add the basic field to the real estate property table, which is showing in the screen. Note, the garden orientation field must have four possible values: north, south, east, and west. The selection list is defined as a list of tuples